Mic check. Check. Mic. Ayun. Perfect. Wait, taka lang ha. Properties. I'm gonna be adjusting this. I think it's because of the game. And good evening everyone. Magandang gabi po. And just checking on everything. And everything seems well already. Ay, yung chat natin hindi naglo-load. Let me just pull it up really quick. So, maganda kasi pag andyan yung chat natin. Alright, good evening everyone. Update tayo sa market. Magandang gabi po. PSCI. Let me show you the screen. Ayan. PSCI today. Playing at support levels, my friends. Yung sinasabi natin, market's not looking well. Hopefully, the support will sustain. Yun nga lang, 6,378 na po tayo. Negative 0.58% from yesterday and net foreign selling is another whopping 1.3 billion pesos. That means from our foreign investors, 1.3 billion po ang lumabas na pera. And it has been like this for how many days already? And with money coming out, how can we expect the market to really bounce it? Even in the international market, medyo may shakiness ngayon. Because of yung mga taxes, may bill na naman lalabas. So, I'm gonna be studying that tonight. Pero, dito sa Pilipinas po, sad to say, right? It's sad to say na wala pa rin tayong catalyst. Ang dami pa rin pangit na news, the scares about the pandemic, etc. Where our numbers are still rising despite the efforts of the government for the vaccination. Marami pa rin ang cases daily. So, that is sad. Right? And then wala pa tayong catalyst na maganda talaga, right? Wala pa tayong maganda talaga na catalyst to invite investors in. That's the reason why there are more foreign investors that are coming out of the market instead of getting in. And that's the reason why market is dropping, and that's the reason why our market looks like this. Okay, just ang dami pang news kanina. Daming pangit na news eh. Mukhang magkaka-lockdown na naman dyan sa nila kasi may birthday di ba? Birthday tapos na community pantry tapos walang social distancing. Sad to say that people are risking their lives, our economy, just for, andun yung pagkain eh. Really sad to talk about that. Pero, yung mga Pinoy talaga marami na naman talaga na nangangailangan, di ba? It's just that, okay naman yung community pantry. Let's talk about that for a bit. Right? Not against it. Right? I'm not against it. Maganda nga pag nagbibigay kayo, di ba? Especially right now sa pandemic. Pero maganda sana if ever merong sistema. I would say there are always ways to do community pantry. Kahit birthday mo, di ba? Ako, recommendation ko. Alright, someone asked me before, ikaw Lloyd, how would you do the community pantry if ever ikaw yung ganun? Diba? Ikaw yung andyan sa lugar at mamimigay ka. I'd say, I told him na, ganito gagawin ko. Day number 1, mamimigay kami ng mga priority number. Right? Yung priority number naman na yan, pwede natin i-disseminate bahay to bahay. Diba? Bahay to bahay, pwede naman yan ang day number 1. Diba? Or, at the very least kasi, pag number lang ang pipilahan nila day number 1, mabilis lang diba? And then, mas madali yung ang social distancing pag ganun for number. On day 2, schedule na natin. Let's say, for example, 1 to 50 at 7 to 8 p.m. Right? 7 to 8 a.m. Right? And then, 8 to 9 p.m., 6:51 to 100. Pwede naman sanang ganun. Maraming paraan. Right? So, not against community pantry. I'm against the process. Right? Ang pangit. Right? We're sacrificing the entire country. Right? Pag nagka-pandemic, may pandemic na nga di ba? Pag lumobo na naman ang numbers, lalaki na, magkaka-lockdown na naman. And whose fault is this? Government na naman. Diba? So sad to say. Yan. Maganda tumulong pero nasa tamang lugar. Hindi yung nasa pandemic. From Erlin Bernaldez. Marami pong paraan to do that. Diba? Nasdaq. Alright, let's go to the topic. Medyo, I really hate to go political but at the very least, I want to tackle it on a national level. I don't want to go political about it. Maganda tumulong. Good point. Good point from Erlin Bernandez. Right? Wag lang nasasakripisyo yung efforts ng country ng mga Pilipino na a little respect for our frontliners, diba? Mga frontliners namin, laki na sakripisyo. Tas yun yung makikita nila na news na despite the efforts of everyone, ganun lang, birthday lang na pantry, the efforts will be thrown out the window. Sobrang laki na sakripisyo ng mga frontliners, tas gaganon-ganonin lang. Sir Lloyd, pulahan tayo today. How you think, sir, magda-down pa ang stocks because of what's happening in the Philippines right now? Tag ko din yung friend kong si Jeffer John Dayrit. Right? I would say yes. I don't see any reason why foreigners will invest in the stock market right now aside from cheap. Right? Yes, mura ang mga prices ng mga companies ngayon, but man, we're up against a different enemy right now. It's the pandemic that's causing this. So, pasensya na. Yung camera ko gumagalaw. Diba? So, that's sad. But, wala tayong magawa. It is what it is. Right? That's part of trading kasi. You have to adjust what the market gives you and just react accordingly. If it's not good, then that's the reason why I kept telling you guys na wag muna kayo mag-trade at this kind of environment. It's gonna be very hard. Yes, you will get stocks na pwede kayo manalo, but there are higher chances of losing at this kind of market right now. O nga pala, update tayo. Bitcoin, BTC, USD. Right, Bitcoin, USD. Right. So, Bitcoin, USD, sabi sa inyo, bearish na di ba? So, things are dropping right now. Good news sa mga gustong humabol kay Bitcoin. Gusto niyo talaga humabol, I will recommend dito na muna. Right? 42,000 at the very least. That is where you start or kung saan siya magsa-stabilize. You buy some there. If you really want to buy more, 30,000 and then buy more. Kasi hindi mo naman mahuhulaan saan ang bottom niyan Right? Gusto ko, Sir Lloyd, mamaya na pag bottom ko talaga mabilis si Bitcoin. Guys, trading is not about that. Right? Trading is not about guessing the bottom. Swerte mo if mahuli mong bottom. What if tinitingnan mong bottom, baka bumaba pa yan ng 1,000 or 15,000, ganito, ganyan. Baka, there's a chance that it will do that. But there's also going to be a chance that it will go up after that, right? So, it's going to be very challenging for you to do that. So, if you're planning to hold on to Bitcoin, I told you, avoid these levels right here, 50,000, etc. Buy the dips, and it's dipping right now, maybe at 42,900, 43,000. Baka mag-stabilize yan. That's where you buy some of it, buy some more. It's not about guessing the bottom, right? Should you really want to get into Bitcoin, right? Now, this will test your IQ in trading and investing. Bakit ka pumapasok kay Bitcoin? Is it because naiinggit kayo habang tumataas siya? Or you really want to get in with the right method? Kasi maraming ayaw pumasok kay Bitcoin kasi bumabagsak. And when that should be where you should be buying kung bumabagsak siya. Saan ka ba bibili kung lumilipad na? Diba? So, konting ingat po. Taas po kaya US indices today, biglang binagsak kanina madaling araw. Tataas po kaya US. I don't think it's gonna go up this week. May bad news about yung kay Biden, etc. I'm gonna be studying that news muna and then let's see, just ko yung mga positions ko accordingly. Jairo Chavillo Sihuko, hi Sir Lloyd, good evening. Roel Dio Careza, good evening sir, good evening po. Jose Lumba, good evening. Happy Friday, Sir Lloyd, Daily Grind and Stock Said, folks from Guitarga Dimele. Red Benedict Nabi, Sir Idol, good evening po. Janer Dianyo, Ishi Marimat, ayan. 𝑓𝑆𝑙𝑦 and Fiverr. Like that. I like that company, yung Fiverr na yan. Sus, dyan ako dati. Secret ko sa inyo Right? Ganito kasi, I'm a video editor and voiceovers are very important or mapagawa kayo ng logo. You can have a logo made for you for as low as $5 sa Fiverr. nung nagsisimula pa siya. Ngayon, medyo pricey na yung iba, pero meron pa rin kayo makakita. Makakuha pa rin kayo dyan na napakamura. Dati, nagpapa-voice over ako when it costs 5,000 minimum dito sa Cebu. Magpa-voice over from someone na maganda ang boses at maganda ang accent. Right? Costs 5,000 minimum for ilang minutes yun? For a minute of clip. Right? Doon, makakuha kayo ng mura. Check out Fiverr.com, Fiverr.com. Sobrang ganda ng website na yan. Right? Tips ko po yan sa inyo sa mga nagsisimula pa lang. Or you can go sideline if meron kayong skills on Photoshop, photo editing, video editing, voice, etc. Check out Fiverr.com. Maganda mag-sideline doon. Right? 𝐹𝑆𝐿. Fastly Incorporated. Oh, supports, man. Let me just, load my chart layout. That's a buy, my friend. That's a buy. Good find from Ishi Marimat. Then FVRR. Yan dapat kilala nyo yung companies na ini-investan nyo. Right, man? That's a buy, man. That's a reversal signal right there for Fiverr. That's good. Michael Eugenio, good evening. Hi, Sir Lloyd. How are you from Rona? Kamusta, Rona? Remorosa. Kamusta? May gabi, Rowena Villa. Janardiano, Sir MRC and LHC. Ang hirap sa Philippine Stock Exchange eh. Alright, MRC, buti na lang napupullback. When it goes green at MA20, that's gonna be a buy for you guys for MRC. Since nasa baba pa naman tayo, LHC naman, it broke the MA20. I would say wait for it. Hintayin nyo lang muna sa baba. Wag muna. Legat Bundon, good evening, Sir. James Calatrava, good evening. Romelin Bonayos, anong billion, Sir Lloyd? Paano po idea to research? Taka lang Ano nga yung billion? Hindi ko maalala yung pangalan ng bill eh. But feed. Ito. This was asan na yun? Forgot where I checked the news kanina. I'll share it in my Facebook page. Pasensya na, nawala yung news eh. Naka-open ako nun kanina eh. Can't find it. I can't seem to find it right now. AD and WMT, ADP. Alright, let's check out the screen. ADP. Alright, ADP. Ganda Nag-breakout sa ADP but there's no momentum in it. I don't like breakout trading on all-time highs, my friend. Right? So, I am not recommending this stock at all. And we're seeing bearish signals at that point. I would stay away from that. WMT naman. Sir Lloyd, pag nag-copy trade ba, pwede ka lang. This is from Edgy Sardena. Right? So like pag nag-copy trading ba, pwede ka lang mamili ng stocks na gusto mo or lahat ng hawak nung kinopya mo, magkakaroon ka din. Actually, magkakaroon ka ng lahat and then you have the option to close the other ones if you want to. Right? WMT. Right? WMT, may resistance po tayo dito for WMT. I would say if that breaks out, then that's gonna be your entry point for Walmart. Okay? Marie Nicole, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Aba po. This is from Marie Nicole. Kumusta natin si Aba? Alright, Aba. Broke the MA20. Sobrang short lang ng trend niya. Nag-hit kagad na resistance. Ang susunod na entry nito talaga at this point in time, I would say breakout from this level. or baka mag-support pa ito in the future. We are in between that major support and major resistance. So I don't like the position right now kay ABA. Tyron Javier, good evening po, Sir Lloyd. BHI. Thanks, BHI. Alright, BHI. Nag-breakout naman si BHI eh. That's good. Okay. Pero, again, I don't like breakouts at the top. I would say pag nag-pullback ito, maganda kung mag-pullback man. Ganda ng volume niya kasi nung nag-breakout eh, di ba? May volume spike on the way to the breakout. But, man, all-time high. This is too expensive. I mean, hindi all-time high. It's been at the highest point for how many, considering its past movement. Hindi naman siya all-time high. Meron tayong all-time high at these levels, but it has been it's at highest level since 2015. Pero look at that, sobrang nakaangat na yung stock na yan. I don't like the position. Should you wanna get in, mas maganda if mag-pull back ito and then mag-bounce before you wanna get in. I don't wanna enter that breakout right there for BHI. Or if ever mag-green main to, maybe, right? But strict trading lang, right? Strict trading, meaning look for your support, which is right there, and then strictly cut your losses since napaka-high risk ng position yan sa taas, especially with the market that we have right now. This is for Tyron Javier, Nasdaq Box L. Okay, let's check this out. This is from John. Oops, sorry. Alright, Box L. Medyo volatile pa on the downside, my friends. Baka support na yan, but still on a downtrend. I will want more data for the movement before we can say it's good. Mara naman. Major support for Mara, okay? For marathon patent. Pag nag-green to, guys, yeah, that would be a good sign. May malakas na support tayo dito. Test out the support, cut loss below that. Should you wanna trade this one. Magandang tumulong, pero yan, from Erlin. Lodi, pwede po sa ADA and XRP. Kamustahin nga natin sila ADA. Alright, sumama kay BTC. Ada man, tignan lang natin si BTC. Mauuna si BTC gumalaw. If ever mag-rally si BTC, then check out ADA. Right? Huwag pa kayong magpapahype, please. Huwag kayong magpapahype. There will be time for you to get in kay ADA. Same with SRP. Sumasabay sila kay Bitcoin right now. If ever mag-rally si Bitcoin, then check out these positions. Hanap na kayo ng entry points. Ngayon, wala pa. Right, Jepper Gagarin, good evening, Sir Lloyd. Pulahan ata. Today, right. Edgy, pa-check po ng CLI and IDC. Cebu Land Masters, medyo maganda na yung rally ng CLI. One of my favorite stocks, CLI. We're nearing resistances, right? That's one point. That's not looking good for CLI at the very least. May trend line tayo dito. If you can get into the trend line, that's gonna be your best entry point. Pero mukhang challenging yung resistances natin, mga pre. Nakalipad na to. Never mind CLI, I would say. Right, IDC. Right, si IDC naman, massive support at this area. That is where you buy IDC. Abangan lang natin. Jennifer Peña, I so agree, could have done better sana yung drive to help. Anyway, stop loss na muna sa BTC. Right, for Jennifer Peña. Right, stop loss for BTC if ever mataas kayo napasok. If you're trading it, if your purpose was trading it, yes, stop loss na. James Calatrava, tataas po kay US and 𝑑𝑠 today. Biglang binagsak kanina madaling araw. We can't really say. Hindi natin mahulaan yan. Sir Lloyd, nag-copy trade. Jenner Diano, sir, what price scenario would you consider investment in crypto? Me? Siguro if I am gonna be... sorry. Type tuloy ako ng crypto. If ever, BTC, USD. If ever, right? If ever, I really wanna get into Bitcoin. Ang problema kasi, nagpapakopy trade ako. I don't want to include my my public port So, I would not want to include crypto in my public port since it's gonna be very volatile para sa copy trading. It's gonna be very challenging to handle that. Wala akong experience sa crypto kasi for fund management di ba? So, hindi ko pangungunahan yan. Most probably on a different account, I will buy Bitcoin. But if you were to ask me if it reaches 20,000 level again, 20k level, alright, the 20k level, that would be a very good price to start chipping in kay Bitcoin. But I'm just nanghuhula lang ako. Just to answer the question. If ever it goes to 20k, that's gonna be very attractive for me. Sa mga gusto talaga and really believes in Bitcoin, I know you're following so many crypto gurus and they're telling you to buy. Just wisely buy the dips, the supports right here in 20k. Okay. XRP and BTT, Sir Lloyd. XRP, we covered that already. Matt Gallardo, good evening, sir. Cineworld, Airbnb, and Tesla po sana. Alright, Cineworld. Ano nga ba yung code ni Cineworld? Gulo nito ah. Hindi, nakawaran to. Cineworld. Ano yung code ni Cineworld? Yeah, I'm not really sure what the word code for Cineworld is, but I'm gonna check Airbnb. Airbnb, my friends, we are on a bearish pattern. Pero maganda yung rally niya on the support But I want Airbnb to do a breakout. That is gonna be your signal for an entry. This is gonna be your support right here. Pero pag nag-break out, that's gonna be failed bearish triangle. So pag nag-breakout yan, you buy some. Then if it still goes back down and bounces support, you buy some more. This is gonna be your support area right here. Ganda na position. This is an aggressive entry. Kung gusto nyo pumasok dyan, that's okay. But mas maganda kasi pag nag-breakout sa downtrend niya. As for Airbnb and Tesla, kamusta natin si Tesla, TSLA. Alright, sa Tesla, may Tesla rin ako, pero man, tignan lang natin muna. Wala pa siyang signals for entry. I mean, 20 is gonna be the best entry point, pero nagpula rin kaagad si Tesla after bouncing at that area. So it's gonna be very challenging for Tesla right now. Michael Ang, kamusta? ET po. Energy Transfer. New York Stock Exchange. Nag-gap up, so that's good. Napaka-challenging nito, bro. I would say breakout from that pattern. It's gonna be a very good entry. Right? If ever mag-collapse man, may support tayo dito. That's gonna be another entry right here for ET. Right? Earl Gorospe XRP. Nga po, we covered XRP already. Abangan nyo lang si Bitcoin. Pag nag-rally yan si Bitcoin, may medyo konting delay kay XRP. XRP should recover. Sumusunod naman yan kay Bitcoin Sir Lloyd, may gabi Tesla. We covered Tesla already. Bloomberg ata, sir, ang news from Rowena. Is it at Bloomberg? Let me check it out. Ito. Yeah, this is the one. Share the screen. Bloomberg.com. Just make sure you are in the US edition, wag sa Asia. So, may nagtanong kanina na magandang news site. Nga pala, Bloomberg. Kalimutan ko. Bloomberg.com. Make sure you are not in the Asia. You are in the US if you're following US, the market. US, there this Biden aims to top 0.3 with bid to tax capital like wages. Oh, this is bad for the industry. And stock prices dropped because of this news. Right? I'm still going to be reading more about this and try to analyze this. how it's gonna be affecting our what do you call this? Our economy. Arturo Tejero, XI on eToro po. Buy na ba? Kumustahin natin si XI. Si Xiaomi. Oh. It's resting at the resistance, man. But yeah, bullish triangle spotted. Mag-breakout to. Entry. Good find. Alright, galing. This is from Arturo Tejero. Pag nag-green pen mamaya, man, buy it. Sir, BDO kaya mag-fund sa copy trade. Janer Deano. Not really sure with BDO. Ginagamit ko kasi Metrobank na debit card. Wala namang problema with Metrobank debit card. But BDO, haven't tried it lately. Not sure if it's possible. It should, technically. Pero if ever mag-error man, then most probably that's because of the bank. Meron kasi mga banko na stricto. BDO is one of them. I haven't tried it. J. Constantino, sir, pa-check naman po si XRP. We covered that already. Bio Nano, sir. Right? BNGO. Bio Nano Genomics. Alright, Bio Nano. Nag-rally kagabi, pero pumula rin kaagad. Most probably, this is gonna continue pullback. Next bounce of Bio Nano is gonna be a good buy for you guys. Lime Suelio. Hi, Sir Lloyd. Good evening. Ano po mas advisable? Naka-check po yung copy open trades or not? Thank you po. Check copy open trades, right? Edgy, Sir Dena, pa-check po sa CLI and IDC. We covered that already. Leo Sevilla, Sir Lloyd, how much more difference sa coins.ph mag-invest sa eToro, sa crypto? Isa po akong magdaragat, mahirap ng signal na internet if naka-voyage. Alright, lagyan ninyo ng Tesla Starlink ang niyo, ang barko. But mas mura po sa eToro kaysa sa coins.ph. Don't use coins.ph in buying coins.ph log into lang. Coins.ph Bitcoin rate. Kano ba buying ngayon ni Bitcoin? Hindi ko makita. Ito. Nasa taas pala. It's buying at 2.5 million. Selling at 2.3. So, how much is the difference right there? Hirap. Basta ang alam ko, mahal si coins.ph. Please do not buy Bitcoin kay coins.ph, okay? Not there. Right? You can use eToro or you can use Binance should you want to. Andyan po sa video description, use Binance. Tested na po yan. Marami ako kaibigan na nagtitrade sa Binance. Aldous, sir, good day po. Do you think may bababa pa si BTC dahil may new form 40% tax sa US? Ma-recommend mo ba na mag-buy ng BTC? Right, so Aldous, I think it's still gonna go down. Aside from that, right, Bitcoin is kind of expensive right now, right? How do I know? Chart. Let's let the chart do the talking. Let's go to BTC, USD, right? There we go. Look at the prices at these peaks. These are the peaks of Bitcoin. Diba? Yun yung pinakatuktok niya sa presyo. Ito sa baba is RSI. Relative Strength Index. Technically, it will tell you how strong the buying or the selling is. Okay? Pag nasa taas ng red line, it usually tells you na it's already overbought, na sobrahan na sa pagbili. But that's not what we're gonna be looking at right now. Dito, sobrang lakas ng bili. Overbought. Sobrang lakas ng bili. Diba? Above 70. But look at this. The points are getting higher and higher, but the highest peaks of RSI, Meaning the buying, right, at this point is getting lower and lower. Meaning mas konti lang pa konti ang mga bumibili habang tumataas ang presyo. Why? Expensive, right? Sobrang mahal na. So, it's really bearish at this point. So, it's not really wise to buy at these levels kaya pinigilan ko ang mga tao. The last time I recommended buying Bitcoin was this support right here and the breakout right there. Congratulations sa mga nakapasok. Malaking kinita nila. Right now, I stopped them from buying at these levels. Buti naman. It might bounce at this support right here. There's a major support at 43,000. We'll watch it from here. Hindi ko gustong pangunahan ng market. Most probably it's gonna bounce there. If you're into Bitcoin, that's where you start buying. If it goes even further down, you buy more and buy more and buy more. It's not about how much the price is. I think maganda naman ang future ni Bitcoin. Slowly being embraced right now by companies, even here in the Philippines. So may future ito. It's just that it's expensive. Right? Yes, wala pong debate about Bitcoin being the future. I think it is the future. It's just that it's expensive right now. So, but I would say yes, buy some whenever it dips. And it's dipping right now, so we'll wait for it to stabilize before you want to buy more. Jeneline, sir, pa-check po ng Palantir. Thanks. Alright. 9:03. Alright, time check, guys. Have to end at 9:10 kasi may gagawin pa ako. Pasensya na. Right, but anyways, Palantir, massive support for Palantir. I would say buy already. I've been saying Palantir, buy there. Bumaba si Palantir. May buy na naman si Palantir. That's another buy for Palantir, right? RSI, the buying starting to go up. So yeah, that's a better support right there. That's for Jeneline. Von Soriano, good evening, sir. 𝐴𝑓𝑆, pwede i-short, sir. 𝐴𝑓𝑆. Not really familiar with the company, so I can't really say. Oh, 𝐴𝑓𝑆. No, you're gonna go up against You're gonna go up against the, what do you call this? The trend. Never trade against the trend. The trend right now is an uptrend. Never go short. Never go short. Don't go against the trend. Okay? Kung nag-downtrend yan, yes, hanap kayo ng mga shorting positions. But right now, it's on an uptrend. Do not short it. 𝐶𝑖𝑛𝑒.𝐿 pala yung code. Doesn't come up here. So, dito na lang tayo. Cineworld. Ang inaano ko talaga kay Cineworld is eto eh. Ang inaalala ko kay Cineworld is this resistance right here. Maganda yung support niya ha. But again, this is a bearish pattern. If this breaks out from that downtrend line, then yeah man, go ahead. Average ko po, from Edgy Sir Dana, average ko po ay CLI is 565, waiting pa po sa announcement ng 123% stock dividends. Yes, good. Alright, pero may hit ka niyan ha. May hit ka niyan if ever abangan mo yung stocks div. If you wanna go for the dividends, don't mind the drop. Jenner Dianyo, sir, what do you think of Nissin IPO? Mahal. I don't like IPOs, especially with the market right now. Stay away from IPOs, wait for it to drop, or if it goes up, then wait for the prices to stabilize. I don't like to fall in line sa mga basically when you invest in IPOs, technically you don't get in because huhulaan nyo during IPO day, lilipad ba siya or babagsak. Because you're gambling that way. Okay? Magkasino ka na lang if ganon. Right? So, if you buy an IPO, then buy it because you want to be an investor of that company. Yes, makakabili ako ng company nito for this price. Good, because I really love the company. I want to invest in it. If it drops after that, then bumili ka nga doon eh, di ba? Okay nga sa'yo. Let's say for example, 2 pesos, naging 1 peso 50 centavos. Bumili ka nga ng kumpanyang yon kasi gusto mo siya at 2 pesos eh. What more at 150, di ba? Kung bumaba yan, then you should be happy. Then you buy more because you are in IPOs for investments. Okay? So, wag nyo pong don't mix IPOs with trading. Kasi gusto nyo hulaan kung lilipad ba siya or babagsak during IPO day. Alright, Rebecca Tangan, good evening po, Sir Lloyd. Rebecca, ASEN and APL po. Alright, siguro last na to for dito sa what do you call this, sa Facebook. 𝐴𝐹𝑆 broke MA20. Abangan natin ulit sa support si 𝐴𝐹𝑆 before you wanna get in 𝐴𝐹𝑆. Okay? Next kay 𝐴𝐹𝑆 is APL. Sorry. I'm gonna share my screen. APL. Sorry. My bad. And si 𝐴𝐹𝑆 nag-break na MA20, so that's not a good position right now. Bangan natin sa support before you wanna get in. APL. Kay APL naman, nagre-resistance ka agad, pre. So, this is gonna be challenging for APL. Ayoko kay APL kasi medyo overpriced na siya. But should you wanna trade it talaga, maybe it's... Abangan lang natin sa MA20. Pasukin nyo sa MA20. Nagko-consolidate pa siya ngayon. Lindy Borja, good evening po, Sir Lloyd, MRC, and MM po. Right. I'm checking the comments here in, sa YouTube. Good evening sa inyo, mga nanonood natin sa YouTube. Lindy, MM naman, broke MA20. Also, pa-breakoutan nyo muna kung gusto nyo pumasok. MM, broke MA20. Abangan natin sa support for MM. Bakit ng market kahit gaano kaganda yung mga companies na yan, kahit ganda ng breakout, nag-fail talaga. Wala kasing nag-i-invest. Right? Konti lang nag-i-invest. MRC, if it goes green on MA20, that's gonna be your entry. Mark Anthony Cruz, good evening, sir. Madugong crypto ngayon. What's your opinion po? It's already expensive. I've been saying to you guys ever since lately na wag pasukin si crypto kasi medyo nasa taas na. The reason why you're looking at it right now is nainggit kayo mainly. So you wanna ride the trend. But man, okay lang sumakay sa trend kung kakasimula lang ng trend. Right now, it's already way up there. It's already too late. Please stay away. Jeric Limasnero, good evening, Sir Lloyd. MM and DNL. We covered MM already, so let's go for DNL. DNL, massive support at this area. Buy that support should you want to trade DNL. Okay? DNL, Mark Anthony Cruz, you're welcome. Dito and Vita, please. Good evening, sir, from Robert. Bastahin natin si Dito. Okay, live, why? Okay. I think unlockan. Okay. Sige. So, horizontal. Nag-breakout na si Dito di ba? We covered about the breakout of Dito. Pero, market man, PSEI, walang investor, but it's stabilizing at that area. I don't want you to buy it just yet. We want more information kung magsa-stabilize ba siya with the market right now. Medyo sumusupport na rin naman ang market, so baka mag-support din talaga siya. But now, no signals right now for Dito. Vita, good bounce from Vita. Earnings ba nagpa-plus siya kanya? Annual earnings was negative, but very good support for Vita right here. Si Vita yung isa sa mga nirecommend ko noon di ba? Lately. Tama ba? So, I wrote it down kasi. Hindi, si Ani pala yan. Si Vita, man, guys, support for Vita right here. Actually, that's the support area right here. Ganda na rally dito. Forming a cup and saucer. I would say buy that support. Nasa support areas pa rin tayo kay Vita. Pwede nyo na simulan bodegahin yan. Vita. We are at almost at pandemic levels kay Vita. So, sobrang mura pa rin ni Vita. Anyways, yan. It's already 9:10. Right? Guys, yan. Stocksed.com. Punta niyo po stocksed.com if kakasimula. Emily Goltiano, thank you so much for the tip. Yan. Thank you so much for the sa start. I mean, hindi start sa YouTube di ba? Tawag dyan. Super chat, di ba? Thank you, Emily, for that. Promise, whatever you guys donate to me, hindi po mapupunta sa akin yan. It goes to the youth that I am helping right now. Hindi lang po yung mga in-adopt ko ngayon ng mga players andito. But sobra pong dami ng kabataan natin sa Pilipinas ngayon. At I'm trying to influence right now. I'm trying to reach out to them through gaming sa esports and then try to influence them into financial freedom. Diba? So, should you want to help me out? And go to patreon.com/elbazar. If ever magdo-donate kayo na malaki, I'll give you access to my premium courses. Check nyo po yan. Sobrang sulit yan. If you want to go to stocksed.com, Meron tayong courses para sa inyo. May free courses tayo dyan. That's gonna be a very, very good base for you if newbie ka pa. So check out stockset.com. And then, if ever, meron kami mga premium courses dyan. Kung gusto nyo kunin din yon to up your knowledge, please get it and use this code 𝐿BAZAR right here to get a discount. Pasensya na if hindi ko masasagot lahat. I'm still receiving chats sa Facebook kasi. Last na ito, sir, about bakit po nag-down ng crypto? Wala na demand, sobrang mahal na. It will reach a point na sobrang mahal na ng crypto na naubos na ang mga tao na bumibili. That's why it drops because there's so much supply up there already. Okay? So, medyo mahal na talaga. Right, sir, tama dyan, never go against the trend. Ganyan ang ginawa ko noong una, kaya sunog port ko. That's from Emily Golciano. Alright. Cristo Ray Fuentes, pa-shoutout loads, boss manager, my friend here, Cristo Ray. Good evening. Anyways, that's gonna be it for me this evening. Still have so many things to do. Pero, we'll always have time for you guys dito sa Daily Grind. Catch us again this Monday. Maganda mga topics natin for next week, so abangan nyo po. See you Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Spend time with your family. But most importantly, stay safe po. I'll see you again Monday. And as always, let's get rich together. Enjoy the weekend. Bye, everyone.